Union Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment and RPI Athwale President Ramdas Athwale will arrive in Imphal on September 1st. RPIA National Secretary Ram Maheshwar Thaunajam shared this information while addressing the party's state executive meeting held today at Hotel Imphal. During the function, the party's executive members discussed the challenges confronting the state, including the NRC update, major demographic shifts, the suspension of Operation Shoe Pact between cookie armed groups and the government, and the inner line permit system. A total of 34 RPIA Manipur unit members, including Working President Dr. Laitonjam Haridas, Vice President Sapam Kanglepal, General Secretary Admin, Youth Secretary and Frontal Organization members were welcomed at the event. Speaking further, Maheshwar criticized the corrupt trend of entering politics solely for financial gain. He observed that the current situation in the state demands honest politicians who sincerely intend to serve society, address ongoing challenges, and bring about social reformation. Maheshwar further claimed that their national president always supports decisions guided by the public aspirations. The RPIA National Secretary also vowed to work towards ensuring equal rights for all citizens, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, or community.
Population city decadal growth yung 1981 dagi na 1991 gi decadal growth of the total population of the Manipur se ang tangyeng biyo ba district it may be like Kangpokpi, it may be like in Chorchampur district atopa de Sukharada decadal growth se 140% ne ba haibidi impossible haitare yam tinawang na la haibidi population se fat population haitare hingalak pa haitare si population sina kay dawi oy ba yaroy da population dunia ba hengala ise si myam si hengala pa 1981 and 1991 bugi mano population bugi sa manung si yeng biyo ba ziri bam daga lady ba ziri daga lady ba population factors something study to biyo ni myam adu di kay dore si myam se ako 1951 hanjan harib se kari gino myam nang kangbira mani 1950 da free movement regime FMR yasale Chat pa yare ato pa country indagi India ra chang ba yare me that also 40 kilometer amana ka dore number 2 da inner line permit system sa 1950 dagi lokthokre duni 1950 dagi illegal immigrants me am sa kyam changam dunu yang biro